I'm currently a trainee buyer for CCG. When I left school, I left midway through my hires as I wanted to work. I then went through an employment agency, Routes to Work, who then got me in contact with CCG, where I started a 2-week work trial. My day-to-day running is making sure materials getting to the sites I'm in charge of, making sure the site is running smoothly, discussing with suppliers, ensuring all materials correct. Types of material that we use on site can differ from timbers, plumbing, bricks, mortar, or up to doors and windows, ironmongery. Skills you need would be good communication, well-driven, confident, desire, a willingness. So I started off as a trainee buying clerk, where I was doing kind of day-to-day stuff as just requisitions, after projects are signed off, any extra damage and waste. I've now progressed into a trainee buyer, where I've now been put through college to do a HNC construction management, which gives you an idea of what everyone else does in the company, from project managers, surveyors and estimating. I work with 6 other buyers. We all work closely together in the office, which helps. Any questions, can I help each other out? Best part about my job is when your project is running smoothly, all specs are confirmed early and material, no issue with materials. Probably constant spec changes or revisions to certain orders. I wouldn't change my career now. If I was to change it, I would do something maybe site-based, from joinery, plumbing, bricklaying, along those lines. I would recommend working in a construction business, whether you are out on site getting a trade behind you, or if you're in an office looking for a kind of career-based job. In the office you get many different routes you can take, different paths. Certainly I would recommend it.